Now I will demonstrate the Caterpillar ET2025 version of 2025A 32/4D excavator. This is a Caterpillar C7. J1939 is the computer version of engine communication. This is the engine ECM. The engine serial number can be seen here. ECM part number, electronic control module serial number, diagnostic test, fuel injector solenoid valve opening pressure test, cylinder failure test. It's all here. Start up. This is to test the fuel supply of each cylinder. Electromagnetic valve test failed. 1 cylinder short circuit and 5 cylinder are not qualified. Short circuit. This needs to be replaced with an electromagnetic valve. Point stop. Spray opening pressure test. Start up. Increase. Pressure increased to 1800. Actuating current 22%. Actuating current 49%. Actuation pressure to 3000. The pressure of this actuator pump is sufficient. There is no problem with the actuating current. Confirm to start. Fuel injection amount 20.3 to 5. Compliant with factory standards. 20.375. 20.375. The fuel injection amount data is all 20.37. The amount of fuel sprayed by the fuel injector can be seen. This is Caterpillar's original standard.